What happens in a draft combine? What's up, followers? We are here today at the Pickle Yard Somon to witness the PYCL Draft Combine. Ano ba tong Draft Combine? Just a few days ago, ginather natin lahat ang mga magagaling na players from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao to try out for the PYCL Draft Pool. And in a few days, magkakaroon na ng drafting na mangyayari. How does that work? Ang draft pool ay ang pagkukuhanan ng mga corporate teams ng mga pinakamagagaling na players na napili natin who were qualified during the draft pooling. Hindi porke nakapasok ka sa draft pool, ibig sabihin professional ka na agad. Of course, this is a qualifying round. You will become a legitimate professional player once na na-draft ka na nitong mga corporate teams ng PYCL. And if you haven't heard yet, PYCL is the first largest long-form league in Philippine pickleball. At syempre, ang organizer nito is no other than the biggest pickleball court operator, the Pickle Yard team. So samahan niyo ako para tignan kung ano pong mangyayari dito today. So I'm gonna go ahead and interview some of them para mas makilala nyo. Hopefully, makita natin sila during the PYCL. So let's go! This is Mox De Vera, and this is The Big Deal.
Hi, my name is Madeline Ramos Saraza, and then I'm one of the players of Pickle Yard. I started around April 2023, so almost a little bit more than 2 years na. And then before pickleball, I played tennis. I started playing when I was 7. When I get to play for my country, kasi my sense of pride. That's when we played in China for PCL. Parang yun yung parang sobrang pinaka-peak na ng pickleball ko. I'm super excited for PYCL kasi hindi lang yung mga players na nakikita natin lagi sa YouTube, Facebook, and or kahit saan man na platform. Madaming players from around the Philippines like Bicol, Mindanao.
Commercially exposed.
Yeah, hindi sila exposed. But now nakita natin like yung tryouts last time. Sobrang gagaling pala. Ang dami palang magaling around the Philippines. That's why I'm super excited sa PYCL kasi makikita natin new faces, new talents. Kasi alam ko magiging sobrang competitive ng PYCL. Kaya abangan nyo po. Kasi I think lahat ng games magiging exciting, lahat ng players magiging competitive. My mindset is step by step lang. I just wanna play my best every time, and then yung outcome, ayoko na lang isipin yun kasi mas mape-pressure ako. So every game, I will just do my best. Hi everyone, this is Mads. I wanna invite you guys to watch out PYCL. This is gonna be in March.
Hello, my name is Carlson J. Macanas and I'm from Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Hi, I'm David Rendal from Bacoor City.
Playing pickleball for 8 months.
Ako naman mga 7 to 8 months din. Alas same lang din kami nag-start.
Naging interested ako to joining PYCL kasi parang I've been playing for 8 months and I've been playing competitively. And parang gusto ko rin i-test yung skills ko na kung kaya na bang pumasok sa isang liga.
Para malaman ko rin kung gaano nakalayo and ma-challenge din talaga. Kasi hindi pa naman ganun karami yung mga sinasalihan ko. Pero with this, siguro opportunity rin to para makapag-compete rin ako sa ibang players. Shout out to Team Playhouse! Yun, more power sa inyo. Napakalupit niyan.
Makakapag-continue sa akin is, again, the opportunity to showcase my skills then and my capabilities plus yung exposure din to bigger leagues. Kasi yun talaga yung gusto kong ma-experience na ma-expose to bigger leagues, ma-expose to better players for me to get better as well.
Parang makapaglaro talaga ng mga malalakas na players. Kasi pag malalakas yung players na mga nakakalaban mo, nakahawa ka mas nag-i-improve yung game mo. Kaya yun yung magpapastay talaga sa akin and nagmamotivate sa akin para maglaro.
So please follow me on my TikTok, Daddy Pico, and on Facebook, it's Carlson J. Macanas.
So, and my Facebook din is David Rendal. So, you can add me on Facebook din.
Ako po si John Drixie Dongon, 19 years old, nakatira po sa Parañaque City. And yung club ko po is The Kitchen Paddles. And nagsimula po ako ng sport, badminton, since elementary po, hanggang senior high. And nag-start po ako mag-pickleball nitong last year, March lang. Na-introduce lang po sa akin ng tito ko po na kasama ko po mag-badminton. And yung reason po bakit na-pursue ko yung pickleball kasi sabi niya may tournament na ako. And dahil sa tournament na yon, nag-training ako ng training kahit sa walling, sa bahay, and ayun po. Hanggang sa naaliw na po ako sa pickleball. Nilulook forward ko kapag na-draft ako, yung pangarap ko nung simula bata pa na nagbabadminton, maging pro player, isang athlete. Nilulook forward ko po kapag na-draft ako dito sa PYCL. Matutuloy ko po yung pangarap ko since bata pa po. Sa badminton pa po, which is maging pro player as an athlete po. And mapatunayan ko po sa mga taong nagtiwala sa akin na hindi ko po sila bibiguin. Ni-invite ko po kayo na supportan ako sa PYCL and follow niyo po yung page nila Pickle Yard Conference League para po updated kayo sa mga announcements and kung ano po nangyayari sa PYCL. And ayun po, good luck po sa akin, God bless po, and thank you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Kim Ivor Saraza, aka The Pickle Bear. So I came from tennis, so tennis background yung pinanggalingan ko. So nandito ako ngayon sa sa PY Somo for the tryout sa PYCL. Ina-expect ko ngayon na ito yung parang final tryout eh. So ina-expect ko na mas magagaling lalo yung players. Pinaghandaan nila to. So even kami yung mga PY athletes lalaro ngayon para makita ng mga owners. So syempre kailangan natin magpasikat para mapick tayo. And sa mga hindi mapipik, kasama kami doon. Kung hindi kami pala rin, meron pang season 2. So paghandaan natin yon. Kaya huwag tayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Let's go PYCL.
So for me, it's all about the persona, okay? Because you could tell a lot about a player by how they handle themselves. Definitely, there needs to be a skill development there. You gotta have good decisions. It's not about power. It's about where you're placing the ball and why. When it comes to the brand, I want someone who can represent the brand with its integrity, quality, right, and purpose. So for me, the persona, skills, and decision making. For me, those are the 3 top qualities that I'm looking for in a player.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Aliana Calan. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Born to Win Philippines, the number 1 forex trading location provider in Asia. So, andun na kami ngayon sa PYC, sa Jack Combine. Sobrang gagaling kasi ng lahat ng players talaga. Kaya hirap na hirap kami ng team namin na mamili, na mag-filter bad mga players. So aside from being very athletic, syempre lahat sila talagang given na hinahanap din kasi namin yung very yung merong marketability skills sa kanila can help us syempre promote our brand. Ayan, to help us increase brand awareness and visibility. Yung mga ganung bagay. So, more on sa online na social media presence. Yung very competitive. Very competitive. Well, that's actually nag-matter. So far, marami kaming mga nakausap na players, hindi sila masyado into that. But of course, that is an advantage kapag meron ng existing social media presence. But hindi naman siya very important because yes, they can help us with that and we can also help our players din naman with that. So it goes both ways. They learn from us, we also learn from them. They help us, we also help them. So there. Always remember, we are all born to
Anytime.
I am Jeff Pupulyo, team manager ng High-M Worldwide. Para align kami sa brand, number 1 is healthy. Kasi ang kinakarry namin brand is for health. The barley, the gummy barleys. So, ang hinahanap talaga namin sa quality, number 1 is medyo nasa shape siya. Kaya pinikuha talaga namin si Kim. Kasi gusto kong i-project si Kim na gawing sling. By the way, Kim Sara, na Pickle Bear. So gagawin natin siyang Pickle Bear na sling. Personality and character, yung marunong makipaggera sa court. Yung may attitude, yung madaling turuan, yung nakikinig. Well, that's the important part, yung marunong makinig. And of course, the talent, of course, dapat ando. Kung magaling ka nga, pero may attitude naman, so might as well you pick other players na willing mag-improve, willing to listen. Yun. Thank you. I am Worldboy.
Hi guys, my name is Mixie D and I am the team manager of Felix. The qualities I'm looking for in the players that I will draft, first of all, syempre, aside from the skills, the character talaga for me is very important. A lot of players already are good. Especially we drafted a lot of players that are equipped with a shot selection, ganon. Pero for me, it's very important to be very coachable. Sa akin, yun yung isa sa hinahanap ko, yung open to learn. Kasi lahat naman natututunan at na pagtsatsagaan. Pero yung pag feeling mo ikaw na yung pinakamagaling sa lahat, parang sa akin, red flag yun. So, if you would ask me, my non-negotiable would be that. Yung may sobrang up there na, yung feeling niya wala na siyang i-improve. I believe there's always room for improvement for everyone. Kahit pa ikaw na yung number one in the world. So, yun, no? And yun. Yeah, that's it. Hope to see you in the PYCL tournament. And good luck to everyone!
So that's it for today's episode. And to top everything that went on today, everything looks promising. It was a tough decision for the evaluators to pick from a bunch of very passionate players. But now it's up to the team owners and managers to screen the players to find out more about them. Now it's all about character. The PYCL will pave the way for future leagues, and we want to get the best professional players who can represent the brands properly. This will be the start of the journey, not only for the Pickle Yard, but also the lives and stories of these pickleball players. They will never be the same from here on. So thanks for watching and catch me on my next video. Kakausapin natin ang mga matutunog na pangalan na content influencers in the pickleball scene. Hulaan nyo kung sino sila. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me on Facebook for more updates. This is Mox, and that's the big deal.